So let's take a look at one more full circle type of problem. I'm going to call this area of circles part 3. I'm going to once again give you the diameter information, but I tweak the number enough that when you figure out the radius, it's not going to be a perfect whole number, but still should be fairly easy to figure out. So go back, make sure you've got the formula. My suggestion, always write this formula down when you work on the problem, or have it handy on a piece of paper or a note card. So you're always looking back and saying, what do I have? What am I looking for? And in this case, we're going to look for the area. We've got pi always, which would be 3.14 for us right now, and the radius. Now this drawing is not giving us the radius, but it's basically a map. It's a way to say you may not know it by looking at it, but you can figure it out. So remember, the distance from end to end is the diameter, and the radius is half that. So if you don't know 15 divided by 2 quickly in your head, again, you've got a calculator, plug it in, and you should figure out that it's going to be 7.5. Now we have that. If this is confusing you, cross it out, or just, note that that's the number we're going to use, and then we just start to plug it in. The area is going to be 3.14 times 7.5 squared. Again, remember, this is just 7.5 times 7.5. You don't have to write that out. Some of you may want to make sure you're getting the accurate answer. And then you're going to obviously square. You'll get 56.25. And then you can times that by pi. And then you can get the final answer. If you refer back to the directions, if they don't ask for any kind of rounding, leave it as is. If they ask you to round to the hundredths, you would go and look at the hundredths. Oh, the 5 is making the 2 round up. Wait, round to the tenths. Okay, again, look at the tens place. Oh, that 2 really has no effect, and you can just drop it. So again, not asking you to round, leave it. They ask you to round, make sure you know your place values.